I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today, I had a very exciting day yesterday, and I was treated by my family to some, yes, I did some shopping over at Ulta. I was so excited. I'll show you what I got. I happened to see this, and I will be posting it I will be doing a demonstration on it in an upcoming video. But this, I was fascinated by, and this is from Real Techniques. And this has a 1 puff, 2 sides, expert blending made easy. So side 1 is the plush fibers, perfect for to apply powder. And then the other side, which is the orange side, I don't know if you can see it there, that is for blending liquids, concealers, and creams. So a 2-in-1 jam. I said, I have to try it. And Real Techniques, their orange sponge is on point. It's on the same par as Beauty Blender, the original Beauty Blender. I'm sorry. And it comes at a much more agreeable, pocket-friendly price. So, remember Urban Decay? They came out with something, it's a naked smiley palette. And this is the mini version, I believe. I think there's a bigger one. But look at those colors. Don't they look fun? Perfect for the summer. Drama Bomb. This is one of my favorite top 5 mascaras. And yeah, I got the small one. I was gonna get the big one, but because mascaras are the way they are, and I don't put on mascara every day, I just, I've ran through too many problems with some mascaras with, the clock is ticking as soon as you open it and introduce it to air. It starts to dry out. So I get the smaller one, and I've had better luck with it as far as maintaining its performance. So, but this Drama Bomb, love, love, love it. It's one of the best ones out there. So I don't know if I've done a review, I may check, but if not, maybe I'll do an upcoming review on this. But I know I've done a couple of Umo Beauty videos. This next one I got, and it's a baby, isn't that cute? This is their Icon. Badass Icon, in the shade Diana. I don't know if I know I've gotten lipsticks before. I don't know if it's the same one. If it is, yay me. But this is really cute, pocket size, and I could throw it in my bag. I will be reviewing it though. This is from also one of my favorite brands that tends to be featured here quite a bit, and that's e.l.f. And this is their Putty Primer, Luminous Putty Blush, actually, not the primer. And I'm looking at this color, and it's everything. And what is this color called? Isla del Sol. So Island of the Sun, or Sun Islands. I can't wait to try this out. Look at that. It's like a burnt, deep, bright, lovely orange. I can't wait. In the summer of pale baby pink, bright pinks, this is a welcome diversion. And I love e.l.f. And their putty blushes, pretty nice. I think I've done them before, but I will feature this by itself in an upcoming video. Let me know in the comments below what you're interested in. So recently I checked my Ulta app, and they had some roller balls of certain fragrances, and this one is one of my favorites. This is the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. I got in a roller ball. I can't believe it. Now, I could throw this in my purse, my overnight weekend tote. This is one of my newer favorites, I have to say. Isn't this so cute? This is called Coffee Break. This is a 4-piece makeup set. It looks like it has this is actually the eye palette, lip liner, I think, something for the cheeks, and maybe I could also use it as a contour, and I think a lipstick. And so I may be doing soon, joining the bandwagon on that whole latte look. So I figured I might as well try this and see how it looks. And I almost forgot one last thing. Look at this beautiful, colorful, it looks like whipped cream or cake icing. This is called Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Polish Soothe and Glow from the company Truly. And I got this, I think, in a FabFitFun box, and my cousin liked it so much, she decided to take it. So I had to get a new one. I'm assuming she's already has eyes on it, and so it smells really good. That's the something good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Those colors, amazing. I'm just, see if I can touch it there. It just feels exactly like the texture of whipped cream, like cake icing. And it smells delicious. Oh my goodness. It smells like what icing, the sweetness of icing with the sugar, but like a soap at the same time. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. And that, my friends, is my Ulta beauty haul. I can't wait to dive in on everything here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. See you in my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.